Hey, it's Daniel Yongjuli.
And Councilman Sukhil.
And Sai Jae-sang Park.
And you're watching
Daily Korean.
When you want to turn up the crowd, we say, make some noise. How do you say in Korean?
소리 먹고 팬티 질러!
How do you say Psy?
소리 먹고 팬티 질러!
It's 소리 벗고 팬티 질러. Let's put it to use.
무대가 뜨거워요! 잔치 준비됐나요? 소리 먹고 팬티 질러! 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 See you next time!